Wow. Read the instructions because we just did this without knowing. It's not cool that it didn't come with instructions. We did what we thought was best. We did what we thought we had to do. All right. 6 times the charm, babe. 6 times the charm. Got a van! Hi, we're Destiny and Elizabeth, and at the beginning of this year, we started traveling the US by SUV camping in the back of our Hyundai Kona. We absolutely fell in love with this freeing lifestyle and decided to make it a permanent lifestyle for us. We just bought a van, and we have been searching for months and months and finally found our perfect van. Follow us along as we learn to build out into our own tiny home. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell for a weekly video of our van building and eventually our van life. Good morning, guys. So Destiny just surprised me this morning and she told me that she bought me a surprise. So I am so excited. She had already told me no, that we're not going to get this, but she ended up buying me the Skylight. Not me, for us, but she surprised me because I was sleeping, and she went ahead and ordered our Max Air fans, which we already knew we wanted, but she ordered 2 of them, and she ordered our Skylight. You have no idea. I've been begging and wanting for it, and she said no, just because between me and you, it's really pricey. So yeah, we have a Skylight on its way, and I'm so freaking excited. I cannot wait for it to get here. All right, so looks a lot bigger than we thought. If we can get down. Wow. We got our Skylight. So pretty much essentially, well, let's show you this side. It'll look better when it's actually on. It'll essentially hover over. Okay, we just realized there's lights. You can turn it on right here. So that's really cool. But one of the cool features is it has a hatch. So we'll be able to open it and like let sunlight in, daylight, natural light, and then open it, get a bug screen, but I don't know how to get to that yet, so we'll figure that out. But that's so cool. It's cute. I will put our Amazon link, or you can go to our Amazon store. It is in the link in her bio. We have a storefront, and then you could check it out there. All of our van stuff. We have plastic here so that we can focus on this Skylight right here. Can we see the Skylight? Do we see the Skylight? And Destiny's cutting it. Let's check on how she's doing. Floating camera over here. That's a good.
think it does need to fit in the van.
Okay, can we take it down and figure it out? I can't hold this up with you.
Because look, it still lays on top.
Well, let's read the instructions because we just did this without knowing. I'll try to figure out how to. Babe, want to tell us what you're doing?
Making the hole bigger.
So, we learned the hard way, not really, but got really super happy and excited for our, holy macro, for our Skylight, and realized that they didn't come with instructions. Yes. So, we did what we thought was best. We did what we thought we had to do. We cut out.
Fit.
It does fit.
The bottom piece.
Fits the bottom piece. So from the inside, it fits perfectly as I think we recorded earlier. I'm pretty sure. I think we did. And it fits from the inside, but the bigger piece needs to fit. And this is not what we envisioned, but it's okay. We wanted we're still gonna try and figure out a deck up here. You know what? And what we could probably we'll figure it out. But now we have to make the hole bigger, and as you can see, that wasn't that much space. Those are the wall space. Is the beam here? No, I think we're good. Oh, is the beam there? It's okay. Just cut through it. We literally already cut a hole, unless you want to go this way a little bit more.
Can you read that to me? 19.5. The whole size.
The whole size, the 800 by 500 millimeter, 31 by 19.
Okay. 19.7.
So this is what we're having to do here is go onto Amazon, look up where we bought it, which this is what we bought, just in case you want to see. There's this one. It's really cool. However, it's just an RV caravan motor.
It's not cool.
It's gonna be cool. It's not cool that it didn't come with instructions. But apparently, I guess they thought this would suffice by putting it down here. Which, not really, but I guess it's helpful right now that we're having to figure this out at 6:30. So, damn near 7. Yes. We're trying to cut before the light completely goes away and before it gets too late that we don't disturb the neighbors that aren't even ours. So, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna figure this out, and we still have to put the things here and there because we can't drive with that. We need to finish all 3 of these tonight because we put 3 holes. So yeah,
I think this is just dying.
can you give me the other drill?
Yeah. Last hole, right?
Babe. 6 times the charm. 1, 2, 3. Which way? We're gonna put it that way. Put my side in. Okay. Oh, almost gonna right.
Okay.
Yeah, good here. Woo!
Nope.
Yeah, it fits.
Nope.
It fits.
No.
Yeah.
No.
What? No.
I can literally see the part that's not going down.
Where?
Right here.
Sure. 7th time's a charm. 7th time's a charm.
I should have just went square.
7th time. I'm just gonna sit over here and wait.
I'm gonna go.
Did you do it?
Let's see. Come on. Excuse me.
Oh, I was waiting. I think I want to decide if it's number 8 or 7. Hold on, it's stuck on my shirt. Oh, I lost count after 5. Oh, okay. Put my side in. Don't go anymore because it's not gonna fit.
It needs to slide in.
What part are you talking about?
Come up here, since you don't understand.
Oh, you're talking about the black part.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so then it's not just a little bit. I thought it was just the nail. You need to go all the way across.
What do you mean?
Right here is not in either.
Oh.
Here.
Trial and error.
Trial and error. That's what happens when you have no instructions.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yes.
Is that how it goes?
I have no idea.
That's all that came with it, you said? Oh, that makes sense. And then those go into the little divots here. Right? That would make more sense.
Yeah.
So you're grabbing one black one silver thing.
What I'm grabbing is, I feel like
The silver.
these go here, but then on the ones that are naked,
Uh-huh.
I think a nug, like one of the, there's screws in there.
Uh-huh.
I think it goes in on the top.
Okay.
I think. I have no idea, but look at all these.
They could just be extra for these. Right? Or like, why is this one empty?
So that's what I'm saying. So I think this goes in through the top, comes out through here, and then we put this.
All right. Look at our beautiful skylight that I think we figured out how to do now. We put some, now you can see where the holes we were talking about. So see how that's a hole there? And that is, oh, this one needs more already. Butyl tape here. Destiny, you look so concentrated.
I am.
Baby, look at that. What you doing up there? Tell us.
Sealing.
Sealing what? So sealing.
This headache of a skylight.
Yeah, it is a little bit of a headache, but I think we'll really enjoy it. Don't you think?
Liz is excited, guys.
You're excited too. You got excited. I think you're just tired and over it, because I'm over this too. But see, what happened here is that, you know, there was no instructions. Blah, blah, blah. So we didn't know what to do. So all right here, that's butyl tape. Help it stick down, hopefully. And here, I think I'm gonna add more putty from the inside.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay. So here's as much butyl tape as we have left. Nope. Absolutely nothing. We used all the t-shirts and they're in the trash now. What the?
It's still in on my hand.
We're gonna seal it there. I'm gonna seal it right here a little bit more. Then we have these. You put it in like so, like that, and screwing this like that. And I guess that is the way the cookie crumbles.
You want to just snap it in?
What do you want to do?
Nap in the top.
Sure. What top? This thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Might as well.
Let's fucking do it! Look at the stars we'll be saying. Wow. A little bit this way.
Are you sure?
No.
What is this right here?
That's for the latch. Let's close this so you don't get confused. Now close it. Are you saying, am I sure that's not the way to go?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't come with instructions, so I don't really know. Right there, we can have it right here, like this, so that we can wire it this way.
This thing.
What happened?
That's how it goes, but how does it click on? Oops.
We'll probably have to push it real hard. No, you're going too far. Yeah. Probably have to push it, baby. Like, yep. Push that side. Yep, I did. Go.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Nice. Wow, baby. Woo!
Whoa.
Have to snap it. Nice. Bug screen.
Coolsies. Once this is in.
High freaking five.
Done.
Oh, I know.
I'm exhausted.
Lisa.
We freaking did it.
We did it. She's taking off the plastic.
Wow, it's a lot harder.
It's my first time, guys.
Well, yeah, definitely my first time. But I'm also on a ladder, so I'm trying not to, like,
Slip.
yeah, or break this. Come on! There we
Damn it. Be careful, the sealant's wet.
Okay, the ceiling's wet?
The sealant.
How about...
Do you need help?
No, I got it, babe.
That sky view is beautiful. Woohoo! Alright guys, so it decided to rain today. The day after we put this in, and as you can see here, oh perfect, there's a leakage and we don't see where it's coming from, but we're going to try and figure it out.
Tune in next week where we try to figure out how in the heck we're going to fix this leak in our skylight.
Hey, to the first day of the rain.